Welcome to Webidex. Previously on Webidex, we discussed how to do article submission for SEO. It is necessary to learn about the page speed of a website for anyone who expects to start a website. But for many who are just starting out, the question of how to increase page speed is one of the most important. In today's video, let's talk about everything about increasing the page speed of your website quickly. Let's increase the page speed of the website quickly, technical SEO. Nowadays, page loading speed has become a critical consideration that cannot be ignored for anyone establishing a website. This is classified as a technical SEO component. Often page speed or page loading speed is a crucial factor that many beginners miss and ignore when it comes to SEO. But the most important thing you need to know is that page speed is not something we can rule out. Let us first see why page speed is an essential factor. What do you do if your web browser's loading icon continues to rotate and load when you visit a web page? Most likely you will go back, or you will close it. The same thing happens if your website takes too long to load. Because people don't like to wait. So, page speed is not something that can be ignored when focusing on user experience. Because no matter how good the content of your website is, if people leave, it will send a negative signal to Google and the bounce rate will also increase. How do we keep page speed at a good level? Number 1, using a high-quality hosting. Using low-quality hosting services might cause a website to take a long time to load, and in certain situations, your website may become inactive entirely. This can be worsened if a large number of visitors come to your website at the same time. So, this is a very bad thing when creating a successful website. Especially since many people try to get shared hosting types for less money, more attention should be paid to this. Number 2, using CDN. The Content Delivery Network is abbreviated as CDN. This simply means that when someone accesses a web page, it allows them to open the web page through the nearest server. Best quality hosting service providers like SiteGround provide CDNs in their standard packages. Some service providers have made it possible to purchase CDN separately. Since many companies do not provide CDN services for their standard packages, this is a good way to identify a better hosting provider. You can even use intermediaries for CDNs, such as Cloudflare. Number 3, keep your web technologies updated. This is why new updates on HTML, PHP, and other web technologies are coming out. New updates like these often include enhanced new features and improved speeds. For that reason, it is very important that your website is up to date. Often good hosting providers do this. Number 4, use the latest versions of WordPress and its components. Since we are talking about WordPress, so you can update everything in WordPress from the WordPress dashboard. If you are creating another type of website, you need to follow the relevant methods. Number 5, use the most appropriate theme that fits your website. It is better to use a simple updated theme here. They often load quickly. Number 6, optimize pictures. For this, you can use compatible plugins in WordPress. Plugins can be used to optimize not only photos but also a complete website. That's all for today, pals. If you are new to Webidex, please subscribe to our channel and give thumbs up to the video. And also hit the notification bell as well, and then you won't miss our upcoming videos. Before we leave, please keep in mind, don't work hard, work smart. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Have a great day.